I was just printing on a bunch of Legos and I had to stop what I was doing because there was an email that just came through to my inbox and I wanted to pause and share this with you because this is so exciting. The Eufy Make UV Printer. We all know. Ashley Falco loves it. Also, did you catch I made a really large acrylic sign, and I had to do this in a bunch of pieces. The email that I just got is going to make a bunch of pieces now down to less than that. Okay, let me show you the video that I just got in my inbox. Okay, so what that just showed you is that the Eufy Make UV printer that I have now has another new attachment, and that new attachment is called a roll to film. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to be able to have this attachment and you're going to have like a roll of film that's loaded into this attachment. So now you're going to be able to create really long prints. Think wallpaper, longer stickers like this right here. I could have printed the left side all on one sticker sheet and then the right side all on one sticker sheet. I think I had a total of 7 stickers that I had to print and then put on here. Now I really only have to have 2. Let's keep watching the video. It's going to cut on its own, so you can create really long sticker sheets if you wanted to make gang sheets for other people. And there's more. Flexible ink. Okay, the flexible one is the one that I'm the most excited about. Well, actually, I'm just excited about all of it. I've already heard about this. They've already told me about this in our Discord group that I was telling you about in another video. All the beta testers have a Discord group, and they have been talking about this flexible ink. So I know a little bit about this, and I'm really excited about this. I have shown you in a previous video that I was able to print on a thin, like a leather pouch, and it does curve just fine, and it doesn't crack really. It's kind of, it's all right. It's not perfect, but it's all right. And it has held up just fine with me like bending it. However, over time it will start to crack. Now they have this flexible white ink that you are going to be able to create patches with, like hat patches or like, you know, garment patches or whatever. But also this stuff, the flexible ink, you're going to be able to hot foil on top, now giving yourself metallic prints, silver, rainbow, all those really cool foil sheets. You're going to put that over the top of the white, and it's going to now create metallic prints. Absolutely remarkable. Do you see all of these right here? Look at that, the envelope. That is a journal that has gold on there, and it looks like it's textured. From here, it's, oh, I see something else right there. Do you see that? You're going to be able to do this now. Wow, that looks so good. So you're going to be able to now print on canvas or print on a film and then put it on canvas. You're going to be able to do it on a leather journal without having any issues. Let's go into the pictures that they sent me. Quick look. You're going to have 10 meters. How long is 10 meters? Let's go into a Google search here. 32 feet. I could make my own wallpaper. I have a bathroom that's right here off my craft room. It is just a standard bathroom with ivory walls. I think I'm going to create wallpaper, 32 feet. That's how long you could print on. So right now, the way that the machine sits is that we are stuck to the bed size of what we have, right? What we have is like, I mean, it's not small by any means, but it's definitely, it could get larger, and it did just get larger. 32 feet. This is exactly what they're talking about. So see how long those banners are? You're going to be able to print the length of that. Now, the width, you are only going to be able to print the width of this actual printer, okay? It's not going to print larger because it needs to fit within the printer size. Okay, so do you see how this right here, see how it's 3, I think that's a skateboard. So 3 skateboards, and what they probably did was print 3 sticker sheets and then created this like cool work of art using 3 different pieces. The reason for they probably used the 3 different sheets is because in an entirety, it wouldn't fit the width of your UV printer, okay? Let's see, all these really big decals on this motorcycle, probably printed with the roll to film attachment, because look how long those M's are. And then this is where those little flexible inks, oh, and know, squirrel. This is exactly what I was talking about. So what they did is they printed all of these individual pieces on canvas, and it's a roll canvas. So it's just a roll of canvas, and they print on top of it, and they mounted it onto the frame, okay? Each one of these, I'm assuming by the look of this, is the width of this machine right here. But going back over here, let's go into the flexible ink. If you wanted to make hat patches or anything on like clothing or something like that, and you know how clothing has a lot of movement, just like hats, we have like the round object. Before, if you were to do like a lot of ink on your prints, the more ink you put onto your prints, the more rigid it gets. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to print the flexible ink on bottom first, which then gives some flexibility to your item. So then you're going to be able to curve it, and you're going to be able to put it on hats and things like that, because you can now with the flexibility of that. Are you excited about this? Also, I need to know, have you already purchased your machine? Because if you haven't, how come? All right, y'all, I'm so excited. I need to get back to printing on more Legos because that's what I was doing initially. I'll see you next time.